bros. Just carry me, come on for here, I beg.
AZAMAN, welcome back. You get my dough, or was an old man pay you? You still get my reverse the money, Abi? From here, now straight to firing squad. Nothing concern you concern, say.
Bros, I beg. Before I go there, if you borrow me your phone, make I just call my mama. Hey! On a home, my mama.
Nduka, I think I not tell you say if you do transaction with people, make sure they give people their money. Every time you go, they reverse people money. Now you don't come put your mama for problem. Well, now when me and you don't stay here, now who you go call?
Hello my people, wanna deal with the sub. It's your boy OBIKING and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So this here is going to be very short, so make sure to watch to the very end and please subscribe while watching. You understand? Subscribe while watching is very important, you get. So I don't want to say much, so don't play my good people. Let's go have some fun.
When I get my debut, when I get my bro to 200,000 from Okoro to pay the hard, they call them and they run. When I run, Abi.
AZAMAN, police who AZAMAN?
I go see on yourself.
Who be DK?
Officer Nami.
Now you be DK?
Yes, sir.
I beg officers, the people don't pay for them. They make a carry the thing. Oh yeah, you come. Eda, now you all the baby pass oh. Since money way there here, you don't go every minute come pay you. You don't call them. No wahala.
Officer, why you dey shout now? If I get cash here, I for don't release myself, come on. Only thing where they my hand now the gift card where my son where they abroad. Send for me. I don't know where to trade them. Now waiting keep me here.
Oh yeah,
adverts in the making.
Adverts in the making.
Now gift card is talk small. If na gift card for don't come on your sis now, can I give Cyber S? Cyber S na giant of gift card. They buy gift card, BTC, USDT, Ethereum, and all type of digital assets. Just contact them for Instagram at Cyber S or call the phone numbers where they see. They go trade them sharp. Give you money, come on here immediately. Now they talk small.
Oh no, Papa. Forget say with the police station, nobody don't want to invest me. From my up front, you carry my tea, they give person. Why you know if you handle this transaction?
Nduka, you see this as a man something. It is not every day they complain. No time for this police station, no. Not at this point.
Papa, listen to me, yo. Now anywhere where police want to spoil, that be checkpoint. Papa, pray come active, what you know nice.
Come on, I make place here. I make place police station.
Baba, listen to me, yo. Who give them spend to write names of noisemaker for market? Everybody go innocent. Now transaction they def me. Papa, work with me.
Eda, give us Cyber S.
As it be like this, make I train with this person with me and I'm there. Because all of us they go through the same thing. Nah. Oh yeah.
AZAMAN go finish you. But I'm not calling AZAMAN phone.
You don't draw. Who will send the money? You or them?
No, send for them.
All of them?
Yes.
Olopa, paste Aza.
Oluwa, paste Aza.
I don't run a more. Papa, that's 600,000 we pay.
Yes, na 600,000. Are they owe 200,000? It go remain 400,000. Use and release them. Because Eda no fit dey come up for police station. Leave you to stay for sale. Please.
You go reverse, Oga.
You don't reverse. Me well active. Bros, help me, bros. Just carry me, come on for here, I beg.
AZAMAN,
Hey.
welcome back.
Hey.
You get my dough, or was an old man pay you? You still get my reverse the money, Abi? From here, now straight to firing squad. Nothing concern you concern, say.
Bros, I beg. Before I go there, if you borrow me your phone, make I just call my mama. Hey! On a mama.
Nduka, I think I not tell you say if you do transaction with people, make sure they give people their money. Every time you go, they reverse people money. Now you don't come put your mama for problem. Well, now when me and you don't stay here, now
Okay, who you go call?
Mama, if you call your own mama.
This boy, you foolish like this and not know.
Call your own mama now.
Gabriel,
Politicians in hell.
now Nigeria, what would the judge today, Abi?
Yes.
People will be say everything where God write finish. These people get mind disobey everything.
Every single
Ten
thing.
Commandments. People where they meant. Sometimes I dey wish say na me God send. Make I go that earth. You know me now. My heart strong like cement.
Jesus.
Not be Jesus Christ when he has.
See, the heart. You dey sound like iron.
Okay, let we start. Jarvis with Pella.
Oh.
Come, take this thing. Give me mature people now. This one are small children. Judge them. Come, soft medit. Go that side. Go that side. Let them judge you. Make I judge Nigerian politicians. You will get bad head. My friend, go left. Go left. Go left.
Call
You know where
name.
you supposed to go. Go left.
Call name.
You know yourself now. The one where get the belly, you are the touch you the touch person for back. Go
Call
left.
their name, Oga.
You where we say they allocate money, give you, make you build something. You chop them. Today, I don't allocate you. Go where you belong.
They call their name if you know they fear.
My friend, I use God name take beg you. You know where you supposed go. Go left. And they see you where they try hide. Go left, idiot.
Oga, call their name. You they fear. Call their name.
From 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8.
All of them,
Go punish. Sorry, God.
Go punish, sorry God. Why you don't call their
You know
name?
me, Satan, for my own house. I don't think believe I lose this election.
Our demand is to make electronic transmission of result mandatory. The picking of INEC chairman to become more transparent.
Now we don't know who they talk to.
I would like to build more company in that site.
Sir, food is ready.
Okay, our food is ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay, our food is ready, boys. Let's go and eat.
So this is your own side.
Okay. Enjoy your food. Madam, what be this?
Can you
Okay,
imagine?
now the one where you go finish.
The one where I go finish. As in how?
Look at my face.
My reduce them.
Hey!
My increase them. Which one?
Jesus. So.
Someone must be silly.
Can you imagine?
That one is not the
I can't even
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? See insult.
Your Excellency.
They're not to insult this guy.
Let him talk. What's the problem? So I graduated with first class from the University of Nigeria in Nduka. I studied med lab. I can work in your drug agency and any other job opportunity that you have available for me, sir. I also have experience in quality control, sir. Here are my results and you can check it out, sir.
You came out with first class?
Yes.
Now statistics with a chop.
Now statistics with a
What
job.
experience do you have?
Sir,
How many years?
I don't have any experience yet. Since I graduated, I haven't gotten a job.
Shut up, you. My governor.
Oh, leave him.
My governor.
They're my citizens, of course. Eh? They are part of the citizens.
Now we now.
What's your name?
My name is Amino Acid.
Amino Acid. What do you do?
I go at the smoke. I smoke it go for a living. Long say.
Wow.
Long say.
You see, I like the way he's real. People like this, you know, they are very transparent. Real. Eh? So, did you go to school?
The Chris. Now I tell you say now I go now. Nothing concern me with book. Nothing concern.
How long have you been smoking?
Long say 8 years now.
8 years.
Long say.
Wow, he has experience in drug agency. You know what? I will make you the ambassador for drug agency.
That's Nigerian police.
Yes. Nice one, eh? Enya, come. Say you had first class.
Yes, sir.
This is your certificate.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let me have that.
You go take and chop suya. I know. You go take and chop suya.
My governor.
Eh?
My governor.
Well, this one, tie this one.
You go take and chop suya. Me, I know.
Yes.
You can jump where?
What's going on here? What's going on? Your Excellency.
Am I?
This is how you people keep patronizing middle class and unqualified people. There are so many qualified youths out there seeking for jobs, but the government keep appointing people who will drag this country backward.
Enya, come.
My God.
My ambassador.
You go give her money now.
Enter front. Let's go and make it official.
You know this is not right, Your Excellency.
You want to become a drug agent ambassador. And you know they smoke Igbo. It doesn't work like that. You know this smoke Igbo. They give you Igbo like you praise. Come over here.
Your Excellency, you know this is not right.
Let's see the edit. Breaking news. Governor Amuneke has appointed the new ambassador for drug agency in the state. This appointment was made based on merit, qualifications, and transparency. He was so qualified that other candidates were spreading their certificates on the ground for him to work on. The new ambassador, Dr. AMDike, who has 8 years experience in drug affairs, promises to help tackle drug abuse in the state.
That's what they do. That's what they give me a money.
Sir, you booked a ride.
You are the rider?
Yes, sir.
Fine girl like this, they do driver work. Yes, so you will take me to the address that is there.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Monsieur, bonjour. Bonjour, ben merci. I love French.
Sir, we have some refreshment. Rice and turkey.
For me?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Now, 4,000 did the apple. See, 4,000.
Yes, sir. Very correct, sir.
Abby?
Yes, sir.
They can't give me rice and turkey food. I'm very good. Now, 4,000 I get to.
There's malt and water there, too.
So chop, and I will still pay you for. You can't reach my destination, yes, and I will still pay you 4,000 for all these things. This is your hair. This is your hair like this.
I don't trust this trip. I don't trust this trip. I don't trust this trip.
So we're here now.
Enjoyment, one killing me. Enjoyment, one
okay, we don't reach you. This your food is nice as well. Nice. Okay. Here is your 4,000 naira.
Okay.
And 200 for making me smile. You know, easy. As I do, they compensate my people very well.
Sir, it's not 4,000 naira. It's $4,000, sir.
Show me $2,000 is a joke. Don't be 4,000. Don't be 4,000 naira.
$4,000. They put the dollar is small.
$4,000.
Yes, sir. You can check your app.
Come on, water.
Come on, now, I said, $40. Come on,
now. You get luck, so I dream. You get luck. You go still jam the same girl now.
you booked a ride.
Where I don't cancel. I go enjoy you.
Sir, but you have to pay for arrival.
Now that's the same arrival go arrive before fire. Small wish.
But if I check this time around, like, make sure it's in a naira, not dollars. You do mistake. If I check, you have to be sure. You need to be sure this time. I left one with a push. Lion, you gonna go jam. This one not a touch hippopotamus.
Look at it now.
All of them, they fall. All of them.
Who opened this pit latch? Who opened this pit down?
This is 49 million.
I go chain, 49 million.
About how we go?
49 million.
We go break that
49
place.
million.
The fees
Cash or transfer first. Cash or transfer.
The fee help us dig.
They don't feel dig anything like this. Cash or transfer.
Okay, go find
No.
Guys, patronize Aboki. He sells all type of advert, all type of gold.
Leave the advert.
He sells original confirmed gold.
Leave the adverts. Not talk about the total money. This is 49 million.
All
I
Aboki,
collect BTC and Naira. Which one you want pay me for?
Aboki sell all type of.
Forget. No, leave the advert. When you bring the gold, or you give me my money, then no wait.
Okay, go find people and break that place.
Leave am. 49 million. Leave am. No, I don't want. Leave am. 49 million.
Sorry, patronize
Forget. More leave am.
More
pay me first.
Oya find person who open the pit.
Who go fit find? No, we no fit find. Pay me first. Then if I go, you can find the person who will help you get down. Just Just pay me first.
Make I call.
Pay me. I don't want. Pay me first. 49 million. I collect BTC and Naira. Which one you pay me for?
Make I just give you advert.
I don't want. Leave me. Just pay me now.
Aboki. Maybe only we are 49.
Babe, please, can we just talk this through, please? Just listen to me. You just don't go back to this.
Throw him out. Throw him out. I don't know where you allow a guy squat with you in your own house.
No, you don't house.
A broke guy at that. God forbid. I can never even try it.
Dead, bro. Now you leave me.
Tell him man, shut up. Who are you talking to? They follow me talk, thank you.
By slap you.
She's a good digger. See, let me take care of you.
This one needed to be sure.
Hello. Fine girl, excuse me.
Hello, babe.
Hello.
Man, this babe get waste too. Sinyash.
Did you see my phone? My phone. My phone. Did you see my?
This way?
Oh.
Okay.
Please, my phone. Must stop, please. Must stop.
Shut up! Secondary school students gambling in the class. You are gambling with your future. That's why you will be signature doctor. You people want to behave like a bad student to this school?
I'm a good student, master. She's the one that teaches me how to gamble.
We don't call about that dice.
Woman with the roll dice.
Obituary and parents in my leg. Okay, show obituary to me. I will call your parents.
Master, please, Master. Master Joe.
Oh, you boo.
Woman with the roll dice.
Hey, one walk up Python.
Parents, sir. I've called the parents, sir.
Why do you call the parents? Is it your parent that is helping me to parent?
Yes, sir.
Are you the Python?
Sorry, sir.
Don't do me in that class. Don't be yagele. Show people ijani.
No, sir.
Clayton will be boxing club.
No, sir.
Make it caramel. Mupala.
It's okay.
I have called your parents and they are on their way. But before they get here, I would like to give you guys 5 strokes of cane each.
Master Joe, man, no, I could do me.
Jesus.
Let's bet again.
Obi wo lo bí ẹ̀yin ọmọ iná.
Àwa ló bí wọn o.
Mr. and Mrs. Owóṣekókó. Daddy, mommy, teacher ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yìí lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n dẹ̀ bọ̀ sẹ́yìn kíláàsì. Wọ́n dada ìsìn wọ́n ta tẹ́tẹ́.
Ṣó tán mi ò sọ fún ẹ wípé wọ́n ta tẹ́tẹ́ ni bá mi kówó mi.
Owó kí ni?
Àti taka tó kò lè. Èmi náà sẹ́yìn tí wọ́n pè wá fún òun ní tẹ́tẹ́ ni nítorí ó jẹ́wọ́ mi ni.
Báwo òbí ṣe ń ta tẹ́tẹ́ àwọn ọmọ náà ń ta tẹ́tẹ́. Ẹ máa kó àwọn ọmọ yín lọ báyìí.
Like parents like children.
And ẹ máa kó wọn lọ.
Like parents like children. Even the parents they
pẹ̀lú wá ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ jèrè wọn ni.
Àwọn ọmọ tá a ti ń jèrè tó jẹ́ pé tán bá lọ ta tẹ́tẹ́ báyìí wọ́n ń kówó ẹ̀bọ̀ wá fún wa ń lé.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá jèrè wọn ní ìsinyìí kò lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la.
Ó lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la.
A ní wọn lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la.
Àlò lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la tí ò bá wá dán lójú. Yá táwọ́ sí ó mọ̀ kó wọ́n lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la.
Tó bá dẹ̀ dọ́jọ́ ọ̀la a máa padà wá gbowó wa ní n tó ṣúọ̀ jù.
Too sure.
Baby, you know say na me dem dey call it Dollarz money boy. This one and look what I get it for you. In fact, all this my phone with my neck. Wala Allah nake guarantee. You are the love of my life. You can convert my life into 2,900 million pieces. Wala Allah my baby.
She go leave you come out. No
My
need.
friend, Can't you see the road you are passing? Do you want to jam me on my lovely on this lovely road?
Mr. Man, excuse me. You see this your babe? I like this your babe. I want me to deal with me.
What? My baby?
Yes.
You like my baby?
Yes.
What?
Babe, please, I don't want to talk too much. Take this car key. This car is for you. I dash you.
Me?
Jesus. I want me to deal with me. No worry. Thank you. No worry. Now your own carry on.
Who does that?
Baby.
Even if you be done with
Okay, just stop at our city now. I'll meet you there right away. Let me call Farouk to bring this other car. Come. Hello, Farouk. Are they house 3 now? Bring that other car. Come meet me right now. I did there now. Well, and you? Yo,
Azal now.
Azal now.
Azal now.
Azal now.
It's not possible. It's not possible.
What can?
It's not possible.
This thing what you do me, even now go test and no go do me.
Don't go test and
no go police no. Turn the fire no. No, your mama if they hear me.
No, your mama if they hear me. You disappear, come out. No worry, carry the phone, they go. Anything where you see, your blockers don't go work again, no worry. Your blockers don't go work again, no worry. Nothing anybody won't tell me. For the guy to disappear, forget it. That phone carry and they go. Your blockers, you know if you give woman belly again, no need. No need. A person do, anyways, I know they collect person phone, so I don't think I'll be in such situation, you understand? But, people where they collect phone, one day when I go jam, no worry, one day when I go jam. Anyways, my people, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. Tell me what's your favorite part of the video. Let's have it right in the comment section. But I still have a problem with that Aboki own. How person will just come because say you like gay, you carry your Benz, give her just to collect the girl from a guy, come order for another car. Come on. I don't think it's possible, man. It's not possible. Anyways, what do you think? Let's have it right in the comment section. Check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. And trust me, you love them. So, see you in the next one, my good people. Peace and love.